So I can't let you go. But I got you. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Do it like this.
We done been together for a minute. Now it feels funny to be doing something different. But it's all good, me and you finished. Got a ball player, but a nigga ain't tripping. And I ain't saying that he don't love you, but I don't think he love you like I do. But it's okay, it's alright. A Blackberry filled with a whole bunch of women. Wasting time. Said he's gonna get you back in my life. Yeah, you don't care, used to be you that I like. Never do what I like now. I'm gonna get tipsy over 21. All the girls have fun and watch the ladies jump on me. I'm not looking for love, she's on. Yeah, all the girls at the bottom of us, hang on. I just wanna have a good time and give you all my mind. Finally try your life. Girl, when I'm up in the club, really turned up, I ain't gonna think about you tonight, ain't thinking about you tonight,
Alright, you got the wrong one if you think I ain't going out. You used to be the only girl a nigga would think about. I got a couple girls on call, I'ma bring them out. Imagine City stripper hustle, this what this all about. I'm in the club doing my two-step. I done pulled about 8 bras already. I'm just getting my feet wet, but I ain't even knocking on staff. See, I be here all day trying to count how many girls want bath. Yeah, I see you on the blog, you should do it, all that. But little do you know you're making yourself look whack. If dude got a problem, better tell him to fall back. I'm blowing real big in VIP, get that loud.